Hello, in this video, I'm going to go over step 5 of the onboarding process, which is add more users. So to add more users, we're going to come up to the top right and go to our cogwheel, go to manage users, and then go to add user. Now from here, you will enter the user's email, their name. As an executive, you'll be able to choose what role that person will play. You can choose a color that they will be known by, and then click add user. And then what happens is this person will get an email. They will need to go into that email, click on a link that is in the email, and once they click the link, they will become active. Now, once you become active, you can go into that user and you can set up their security. If you need to change a password, you can do that. You can assign which office they belong to, and you can set goals for that user. So number of proposals per month, dollar amount of proposals per month, and dollar amount of won jobs per month. And then click save.